of a class interval. Now what is the definition of class interval or a formula for class interval? Here it's like this. Firstly, class interval means what? Class interval means this one which you get normally in the frequency table, 70 to 74, 75 to 79, 80 to 84. It differs. So this is known as a class interval. Now what is the class mark then? Class mark means this, the definition which is asked, the mid value of the class interval. So that is known as class mark. So how to find a class mark? Class mark lower plus upper upon 2. 70 plus 74 upon 2. That is 72. Similarly for others. That is class mark. Okay. Out of this question, what is class limit? Here, these are the limits. Lower limit, upper limit. What is the class width? It is the difference between the lower limit and upper limit. That is the width. So what is the range? Range means the difference between the maximum and the minimum data entries. Remember, there are difference between class limit or width and the range. Range means maximum and minimum. Suppose in this case it can be 70 and 104. So difference between these two, that is the range. The number of times a particular entry occurs in a set of data is known as frequency. So you might have heard this word many times, frequency. How it is shown in the frequency tables here. This is the basically interval. These are the intervals given, and how many times the data occurs. Suppose if there are two digits between two times it occurs between 0 to 10. 2 it's shown. Suppose if there are 5 times, then 4 and 1 cut. This is 5. Okay. So this is 2, 10. 21, remember this, 4 times 5, 20 and 1, 21. Okay, so this is known as frequency. In a survey of 200 ladies, it was found that 82 like coffee while 118 dislike it. From these ladies, one is chosen at a random. The probability that the chosen lady dislikes coffee is, what is the formula for probability? Required upon total. Somebody calls this sample space also. Okay. What is required? Required is dislike. How many dislike? 118. So dislike is 118 upon total is 200. So 118 upon 200. Solve this, you will get 0.59. Or in exam, if it's given in fraction, keep it in fraction. The probability of occurrence of an event